Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started in this expansive open-world racing game. You'll learn about the diverse activities available, from high-speed races to creative car customization. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beautiful landscapes and thrilling automotive action that Forza Horizon 5 offers, ensuring hours of engaging gameplay. To master Forza Horizon 5, focus on understanding its core driving mechanics. Experiment with various driving assists to find your comfort zone, from full assistance to manual shifting. Practice drifting through corners and utilizing the rewind feature to correct mistakes. The game offers hundreds of events across different surfaces, so try them all to earn credits and experience points, unlocking new cars and upgrades. Customization is a huge part of Forza Horizon 5. You can acquire hundreds of unique vehicles, from classic muscle cars to modern hypercars, through the auto show or by bidding in the auction house. Once you own a car, dive into performance upgrades to boost its horsepower, braking, and handling. Don't forget visual customization, allowing you to create unique liveries and personalize your ride with countless options. Forza Horizon 5 offers robust multiplayer and social features. Jump into Horizon Open for head-to-head races against other players, or team up in Horizon Arcade for fun, cooperative challenges. The Event Lab allows you to design and share your own custom races and events, providing endless replayability. You can also form convoys with up to 12 friends, exploring the vast map together and participating in shared activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.